Hi, Michelle and Kyle. Kylie, I'm watching I'm looking at your emails here, and I can see you got this error. I'm still not sure how you got it. I just want to show you the breadcrumbs that I'm following to get into my MATLAB. Hope you are doing the same thing. I am in the course my Math 1046. I'll go in contents. You can see I'm viewing as a student, so I'm looking at how you would see this course, and I will go in contents. In the contents, this is my MATLAB links. If I click that tab, then I will get my math homework right here. When I try to click it, again I'm in student mode and I can see the homework is lined up there. Let me know if you don't see it this way. Do not directly sign into my MATLAB. Do not save it as a bookmark or any link. You must follow this links that I have given on the course every time you want to access my MATLAB. Let me know if this helps. Otherwise, we can try another solution. Cheers.